Hello, my name is Mark Soy and I'm the principal owner of Shoreline Inspections. Joining me behind the camera today is my son Andrew, who at the end of the month will be taking his state licensing exam to become the newest inspector of my Shoreline Inspection team. In this first quarterly newsletter that we've come to name the North Branch, we're going to be talking about roofing systems and our ways of inspecting roofs. You may or may not know, but in the state of Illinois, a licensed home inspector, for safety reasons, is not obligated to climb up on a roof. Many roofs, like wood shingles, slate, tile, those systems could actually be compromised or damaged by walking on them. As the systems and the technology of home construction changes, so must the tools that we use in the industry to inspect them change. You take a look at things such as instant-on hot water heaters, radiated floor systems, and even many of the different roofing systems that are coming to market. We have to use tools such as thermal imaging cameras, non-invasive moisture meters, highly magnified binoculars with built-in cameras, and that brings us to the technology that I'm introducing to you today. We've actually now incorporated a quadcopter drone into our arsenal of tools. This quadcopter is equipped with a high-resolution, high-definition camera that we can actually take video, and we've mounted it on a gimbal mount system to maintain as much stability as we can. And when you take a look at a roof, the example that we have to inspect today is a two-story flat structured roof, where even if you were to stand across the street with a set of highly magnified binoculars, you can't see that roof. So the best thing we can do is to fly a drone up to the top of that structure and video it and take a look at it when we get back to the office. So with that said, let's go inspect the roof. So what we're looking at here is a rolled roofing material called modified bitumen. This type of roofing material is actually rolled on hot, and as part of our inspection process we're looking to see if it's buckled or lifted in the corners. All in all, the overlap of one roll from the next is at least 3 inches here, and it looks like it's been applied nice and flat. It does appear that they must have a maintenance contract on this building for the roof, because every once in a while you'll see some patches that have been applied. As we reduce our altitude here a little bit and get a little closer to the roof, you'll notice that the membrane around the plumbing vent stacks is a little bit rippled. Again, this is a very common problem during the installation process of a hot rolled modified bitumen, and as long as nobody goes up on the roof and steps on the lifted tarps and cracks them, this shouldn't pose a problem. We also noticed by getting a little bit closer to these chimneys that it looks like some tuck pointing was recently completed, and the chimney crowns are nicely sealed.